Guys, for today's video, ayan, good morning sa lahat. Ayan, panoorin natin muna to si ate. Napakagaling kumanta. Ayan, at huwag kalimutan mag-like and share and subscribe sa aking channel. Ayan, let's go.